Good morning. My name is Jairo Rodriguez. I am from Orellana, Ecuador. My ID number is 2200075553. The University Bolivariana del Ecuador is attended by me. The Faculty of Education is studied by me. Today the topic, the history of soccer in Ecuador, is presented by me. Soccer in Ecuador is considered an important and traditional sport. This sport is introduced to the country on the 8th of the 19th century by foreign sailor. It is first played in the port city of Guayaquil. In 1899, the first Club Sport Guayaquil, is funded after that Martin are formed. In different cities, the sport is gradually expected by young Ecuadorians. In 1975, the National Sport Federation of Ecuador. In 1925, the National Sport Federation of Ecuador is created. The first official tournaments are organized by this federation in 1957. The National Soccer Championship they established. The best team in the country are included in this competition. Barcelona Sporting Club, Emelec, and the Liga Deportiva Universitaria are recognized as important clubs. Many national titles are won by these teams. The Ecuadorian national team is formed to represent the country into 2002 first World Cup qualification is achieved by Ecuador. The tournaments is played in Korea and Japan. In 2006, the round of 16 is reached for the first time. More World Cup participation are achieved into 2014 and to 2020 to grand players at Liverpool in different generation soccer matches are watched by millions of fans today. Soccer in love and celebration throughout Ecuador. Thank you.